Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Apple iPad Magic Keyboard. Woo yeah, it is released now. The iPad keyboard provides a great typing experience, that's right, and lightweight, medium right, durable protection for our iPad Pro. And they attach to an iPad magnetically, no need for switches, plugs and pairing. The new Magic Keyboard delivers even more with a floating design, backlit keys, and a built-in trackpad. Oh yeah, that's really awesome. The all-new Magic Keyboard is an amazing companion for iPad Pro. It features the best typing experience ever on iPad. That's right, a trackpad that opens up a new way to work with iPad operating system. That's right too, a USB-C port for pass-through charging. Nice. And front and back protection. Okay, that's the case. The Magic Keyboard features a floating cantilever design. It's really awesome design, allowing us to attach an iPad Pro magnetically and smoothly adjust it to the perfect viewing angle for us. And this is really awesome. It looks like that your iPad is flying a little bit over there. It does not touch the keyboard anymore, except on the back side, of course. But there is a really hard and tightened hub with so many magnific things inside the case that your iPad is really still there on the position. It's really awesome and good design. It is compatible with iPad Pro 12.9 inches, third and fourth generation, iPad Pro 11 inches, the first and the second generation. It has a comfortable typing modus, full-size backlit keys, and a scissor mechanism with 1mm travel for quite responsive typing. And this is really awesome. I like the backlit thing so much. I can now typing in if it is dark in my room, no problem. And the hoovering, the responsivity of the keys are really awesome. High quality typing it is. You have a built-in trackpad designed for multi-touch gestures and the cursor in iPad operating system. And this is the first time I ever seen on an Apple mobile device, except the MacBooks, of course. Where are you going to use a trackpad? This is awesome. You can use the trackpad as a standard trackpad, like on a computer with your mouse. This is nearly the same, or it is the same like a trackpad on a netbook or notebook. But there's more. You can use, because the trackpad is so designed that you can use multi-touch gestures, and this I like really much. You can travel up and down, right and left, forward, backward, etc. This is awesome. You have a floating cantilever design, smooth angle adjustability, delivers the perfect viewing angle, and the angle is really awesome because your iPad is a little bit lifted in the air, like before. I used the keyboard before, not the Magic Keyboard. It is the Folio keyboard. It was a smart keyboard Folio, and I like the angle which this keyboard with this Magic Keyboard is delivers to you much better than this from the keyboard folio and front and back protection. It folds into a case to provide front and back the protection thing for traveling with our iPad Pro. It's really awesome, and you can see it is a high quality thing and it looks beautiful, but it's really expensive. Woo, this is hard, and it is a little bit heavy, I think. It is really medium heavy, I think, because the folio keyboard is really lightweight, and now I have I think it's 300 or 400 grams more to carry with me. But it's not so hard because I'm using iPad Pro, and this is 12.9 inches, and this is large and heavy too. That means this in a set is heavy, but it is in a good and solid thing that it hosts into this keyboard and case combination, and then it is protected in it. Really awesome. And I like really much the keyboard and the backlit option. Oh yeah, and the angle, because you can rotate the angle as you like in every direction in front of you, of course, and in every angle direction you can travel it up and down a little bit. It's awesome. It's really awesome. This awesome keyboard has a high comfortable typing option, a built-in trackpad, and backlit. Really cool. This is a new magic keyboard for our iPad Pro. Awesome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.